Okay, much before, can you just, could you please type what would be the topic for today? Do you know what would be the topic for today? This is a small webinar of 1 hour. Just could you please type it, the topic?
Ma'am, we are not having chat option.
Oh, you don't have a chat option? Okay, madam, chat option is not there for them. Okay, you can unmute the mic and then speak to me. No issues? All smart girls of CSC, right? CSC,
EC,
ECE.
ma'am.
Oh, good.
EC, ma'am.
ECE. Oh, come on, ECE also are very smart. You are smart, smarter, smartest. The girls are the smartest. Madam, go ahead, ma'am. Usma ma'am, start చేసేయండి ఎందుకంటే we should not.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, I welcome you all to this awareness program. We have Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Samina ma'am to give you awareness session on Disha app. I hope you know about the Disha application, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good,
Okay.
good.
Vijayalakshmi ma'am, please start the session.
Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to ask Sabina madam to begin with. Ma'am, please.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kusuma. Hello, everyone, my dear children, all from first year, young and still you have not come away. I mean, come out of that dream of your college engineering. Everything. Still, you are in first year, so I think you're all enjoying your days. I know that you, these days of pandemic season, we are not feeling well because we don't have face-to-face communication with you, only all on virtual, except we met right at during the induction or orientation program. So even during that time, we did not, we did not meet with many students as such. So most probably you're all new to me because I did not face any time before. But you must have known me as a student welfare officer here at MITS. So let me once again introduce to you all that I am Dr. Athar Samina Khan, student welfare. I work for this welfare of the students here. So today it is one of such programs which comes under the welfare of the girl children exclusively. So first of all, let us be thankful. Let us all be thankful to the government of AP for introducing this extraordinary program that is Disha, which is an app, should be downloaded in your mobiles, and then we should be able to use this application whenever there is a need and a rigorous urgent need of somebody's help for us. So I think you all known about it already. There is no any hesitation, to tell that these days technology is in such reach to the students that they know everything even before explaining this process and such other things. I'm damn sure about that. But the thing is, how for these students or children or taking or considering this seriously to use this one, right? You know how to register, how to log in, what to do, everything you know. You have that knowledge because you're now in a professional course, engineering, right? You knew it already. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, students often go little ignorant and careless to use these kind of benefits. They go sometimes, what happens, we will see at the moment, let it come in front of us. Till then, there is nothing to worry about that, right? These are all the very little things that they understand. As per their understanding, these are very little things for them. But as for our experience, our experience says that it is very important. It is very, very important rather to the girl students to download this app, register on this, and you should know when and how to use this, So what I mean to say, first of all, the students, those who have smartphones, should download this app first of all. So I'll tell you how to download this, how to register for this, everything. I'll come to you. So meanwhile, I'll request Vijayalakshmi madam to give her introduction in between.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, dear students. No need to tell that who am I. Madam Kusuma has already introduced me, and Sabina Khan, madam, and myself, we work hand in hand. We both of us work for the welfare of the students. So I'm the counselor of MITS. So if at all you have any problems related to your own classrooms or any personal problems or ragging or sexual harassment or any such a thing, you can share with me. Or you want any motivation, you can come to me. And you have any problem, you feel your heart is literally heavy and all that, you can come and then unload all that, and then you can share the burden with me. So this is what counselors do. And apart from that, CSC HOD madam has given us a task to empower the girl students. Empowering girl students is the real topic of today. And in the light of Disha, we are going towards empowering ourselves. I just want you to tell me what are the problems in general the girl students face. Can somebody unmute and then tell me at least one or two? One or two. Hello. Somebody can unmute and tell me, one or two people at least, what are the problems faced by the girls or ladies or women or whatever you call it. Okay, the gender, girl and a boy or a man and woman, sir and madam or whatever it is. Come on, let me know. Please unmute.
Lack of security after
Lasya?
7 p.m. ma'am.
Oh, Lasya, you had hit the bull's eye. Lack of security. Lack of security. Where do you feel secured, my dear? Which place you feel secured?
Home, ma'am.
Home, exactly. Home is the place where you feel very secured. And which is the next place where you feel secured?
College.
College. Very good.
Educational.
College. Educational institution. Awesome. Then rest of the places we just carry our own inhibitions and then fears and all, and then we don't feel that secured and all that. Am I right? Yeah. With this, let us go ahead. This kind of insecurity. Why do we feel we are insecure? Lasya, why do we feel insecure? Do we lack anything? Do we lack anything? Are we not intelligent? Are we not powerful? And are we not, why with the boys in intelligence or in the smartness or in the beauty or whichever? Are we not equal to them? Still we carry this insecurity feeling with us. Because every
just
day,
as madam is telling that it is the feeling. Absolutely, it is the feeling. Lasya, along with other girls, what I would like to convey to you, just give up this kind of thought that we are in an insecure atmosphere. See, everywhere, wherever we move, wherever we go, since the ancient times, way back through ancient times, it has been told that a girl should be under somebody's control or somebody's shelter. And this is the feeling reflecting in your statement also. Lasya, I'm not trying to point you out. I'm just trying to tell you that this insecurity feeling is the one which is making us scared and going threatened by our lives and lifestyles.
Ma'am,
We should not.
as we go ahead, Lasya will change her statement.
Absolutely, Lasya definitely will change. I know that, but you have to educate others also. This is the feeling of insecurity which is making us scared, and that's
Right.
the reason why these kind of programs have been evaluated.
Okay. And now and then we are going to have such programs, and then we are going to meet with you, and then we want this kind of empowerment, that has to get instilled in you. So me, madam, all the teachers here in MITS, we are all struggling hard to make you very, very powerful. And you can see the PowerPoint. I'm just sharing the PowerPoint. This is the kind of tier, that works like a tsunami and throws out. And then we get totally submerged in the grief, in the, we get totally submerged in the grief, distress, and whatever you call, the problems and all. If we feel once, like it is just a feel. If you feel once you are really empowered, then you get empowered. That's what madam is trying to say. And then how to get empowered, that is what the question today is. So let's go further. Can we just explore a while the women at home, they don't feel secured in India. The women at home, they don't feel secure. Some of the women, I'm not saying all the women in the women at home. There are domestic violence. There are domestic violence. There are known people they are disturbing them and all that. And women entering into public transport system in the buses and all, there are gents who touch them and then behave in a very indecent way. And there are a few people, they pass on the comments and all that. So knowingly or unknowingly, the tear is always at the tip of the eye for any girl, at the tip of the eye. And then that is the tear that should not come. Why? Government is helping us. Government is helping us. Education, what you are studying right now, this is going to really empower you. Technology is there, that is going to help you. And of all that, your confidence and your parents, the society around you. Of course, there are bad people and good people everywhere, wherever we go. But still, your confidence, if it is in place, then all these problems, they just get vanished like passing clouds. They all just go away, and then you emerge as a wonderful person. So let's go further. My dears, most of the time we feel very insecure, and women's safety, it's going to be the top priority of any government. And Andhra Pradesh also has taken women's safety as the top priority. It is people's and individuals and collective, it is people's and individuals' collective responsibility to raise this awareness, not alone Sabina madam, Kusuma madam and me saying this, but it is the responsibility of every individual, individually and collectively, to take up the responsibility of giving safety or providing safety to all the women in the state or in the country or across the world, because women occupy half of the population in the world. In the world population, women population is half. Then if there is no improvement and empowerment to this half, then how can you say that the world is totally progressed? And we cannot say that there is a momentum in the development. All right. So DGP Gautam Savang also says the same thing. So with this, I just want to show you. And when we take Angallu route, while coming from Madanapalle to Angallu, especially to MITS, we happened to see a wedding hall. We happened to see a wedding hall, and that wedding hall, whenever I see that wedding hall, one atrocity that strikes me every day, that girl's, small young girl's face, it just comes to my memory. Anyone can anyone tell me what happened to that one girl? 5-year-old girl. 5-year-old girl in JNR function hall. Yes, ma'am. 5-year-old girl on the very reopening day. 5-year-old girl was being raped in a very brutally, and she was being killed and she was thrown in the bushes. Such cases, such rape cases are occurring in Madanapalli, in Angallu, in Delhi, in many places. It's not in one place or other place, in many places, in Hyderabad, or you name any place, even nook and corner of India, even in a village, all such things are happening. How to avoid all these things? How to, avert all these things? Is can we stop all these things?
Hello. Is it audible, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yeah, back.
No.
Thank you, ma'am. Somebody meddle with it. No issues. So likewise, many times there are untold miseries. So at times, what all a girl comes and cries and she tells, "Madam, I have a problem in the house. My own friend is really misbehaving. My classmate is misbehaving." And another girl comes, "My cousin is misbehaving with me." And another girl comes, even a staff member, faculty is misbehaving. So likewise, these untold miseries every day I keep listening, because as a counselor, many cases do come to me, to Kusma madam and to Samina madam. So one or two people come and many people don't even come, because what's going to happen? Is it really a right way to express all these things in the public? So this kind of hesitation is all the time that is bothering us. So how to come out of this problem? That's the reason AP government has taken the step to help us with the help of, with the support of technology. So Director General of Police, DGP Gautam Sawant, he said that several initiatives government has taken up to launch this to launch an app which is really going to make AP a safe place for all the women. So women's safety is the prime priority of the police. And then in this regard, Disha police stations, they dedicated even the courts. They are going to have attached courts also. And I don't know to which extent we are going to get benefited by this. Samina madam, do you have any idea? Are we really going to get benefited by all these things? Maybe to some extent, but of all that, we need to be very, very strong enough.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Girls,
Absolutely. This kind of programs or applications, either by the government or anybody else, any trust, whoever it is, I just know that apart from all these things, the first thing is oneself. See, I myself have to take care of many things when I want to survive in this society happily and lead a life sophisticatedly, or I should watch my family happily. Everything will not be under one particular, what do you call, in a circumference. It is not in just one particular circumference lock.
presentation.
No, it is not like that, my dear children. What I am to say, okay, Disha app or anything else that were there even before, that were existed before, everything is for the sake of somebody else, either for girl children, or there were some other programs might have been executed by the government for somebody else's sake. maybe for women, maybe for men, maybe for little children, boys, anything it may be. Disha is also one of such programs for the sake of girl children. It's okay. I agree, fully agree. But the thing is that, as Madam has just, what is that first priority to be given to? The first priority is what is there in ourselves to fight with, to take up happily and sophisticatedly and courageously. So first, what here in the name of giving this awareness program for app, this Disha app, we are trying to give you such an introduction where there we are present there, where
Ma'am.
we are present. That is what actually we would like to express.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And now we will just see them, we will just tell them how the police also is going to help them. So by establishing these Disha police stations, how they are going to establish. Okay. Yes. Present. Are you able to hear?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're not able to hear?
No, ma'am, we are not able.
అధికారులకు మీడియా సోదరులకు మహిళా సోదరీమణులకు అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Now?
Now it is
Now we can. Yes,
మన
ma'am.
ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్రంలో దిశా చట్టాన్ని తీసుకురావడాన్ని గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు మహిళల పట్ల ఏ విధంగా ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, ఎంత బాధ్యతాయుతంగా ఉన్నారు అనే దాన్ని బట్టి అర్థమవుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా మన రాష్ట్రంలో ఇలాంటి అంటే దిశ అనే అమ్మాయి విషయంలో జరిగిన సంఘటన ఏదైతే ఉందో అది తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో జరిగింది. మన రాష్ట్రంలో జరగకపోయినప్పటికీ కూడా ఆ పరిస్థితులు మన రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్న ఏ బాలికకి ఏ మహిళకి ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితులు ఉండకూడదనే మంచి ఉద్దేశంతో మన కోసం చక్కటి చట్టాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చారు గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు. ఈ రోజున మనమందరం కూడా ఈ చట్టాన్ని స్వాగతిస్తున్నాం. సారీ. మన భారతదేశంలో మహిళలను చాలా గౌరవిస్తుంటాం, అది మన సాంప్రదాయం. మహిళలని అంటే పరాయి స్త్రీని కూడా మన
It is a law right now. Why am I showing this is just to tell you that even the law is supporting the girls right now. Maybe we in the films and all we see very sensitive issues like, you know, they trouble girls and all that. In spite of all that, the law of the land, it is in support of women. So if not one police or other police, maybe our problems will be taken very, very seriously. That's the reason we should not hesitate to report also. Problem ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఎక్కువగా అన్యాయం జరిగిన తర్వాత చెప్పకుండా పోతారు, వాళ్ళతో చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇది అన్యాయము అని చెప్పి గొంతెత్తి చెప్పాలి. Then people will come to our rescue. Unless we tell, you know, things will never happen. That's the reason, no, without any hesitation, certain problems are there, they are there. Let us accept that they are there. But at the same time, let us have a vision that how to overcome all these problems. Let's think in that way. Critical thinking, we call it, you know, critical thinking, and then go ahead averting the problems. Okay, let's go further. Let's go back again to the presentation. Yeah. So likewise, you know, even the government is with us. So let us not bother. Okay. That's the reason, you know, Disha app is having its SOS services, emergency services. Wherever you go, these services are available. With this, we can create a kind of safety to all the women and to the women citizens. We can minimize the crime rate, and we are moving a step forward in creating the safety and secured feeling to all the women here in Andhra Pradesh. And then we are going to help the women. I mean, the police is really going to help the women who are in emergency situations. Then of all that, Diya app is going to show you the safety places, nearby police stations, hospitals, and then useful contacts so that you can immediately have or access the information. So likewise, my dear students, Diya app is really having a very, very, very useful and utilitarian, purpose. It is installed because of this. Then the police also can track. They can track in if at all you want it, if at all any such a problem is there. See now how long we are in the houses. We have to come out for study's sake. We come out, we go to the school, and now we have come to the college, and we have a kind of place, MITS is a place where people from different regions, they have already joined, and they are staying in the hostels, they are staying in the private rooms, and they are staying in in different places, and then coming to the college. And that's a reason at times your project work, because of your project work, or at times where you have any work in the library and all that, you stay back and it gets dark, then a kind of fear pops in you. So that is the time you can just open your Disha app and then seek the help. There are helpline numbers in it, and this is the way you can go to Google Play Store and then ask for Disha app. Immediately Disha app, the page will be like this, and you can just say download or install. Download and then immediately you install. You are safe with this, because all of us right now, we are all well educated, and we are with the technology, and we are with the smartphones also. So let us make use of this technology, let us make use of these smartphones, and let us be smart enough to overcome the problems. And this one, I just want to tell you once, the world is not a safe place. We have to make it safer. The world is not very good also, and we have to develop that goodness in the world. Everybody has to take up the responsibility, and then we have to fight for it. It has happened to somebody else, we should not leave it. It has happened to one of the girls. Today it is to her, tomorrow it is to somebody else, and day after tomorrow it is to me. That kind of, and they are not leaving either a small girl of 6 months old or 60 years old. So 6 months to 60-year and 70-year-old lady also, they're not leaving. That is the kind of, because some of them booze, some of them, there are different factors because of their own, their exposure, and due to the home situations and all, they behave in that way, and they become sexually perverted. And with that, then with those arousals, they see any girl, they get only such kind of feeling, and these are the people, they wait for opportunity and they grab the opportunity. And basically women are weaker sex. Basically we are emotionally strong, but physically we are weak. That's the reason, my dear girls, be strong enough emotionally, as well as physically you cannot be strong, but confidence is one thing that is going to add up to your strength. That is the one that has to empower you. So such situation comes, I wish it should not come to any of you, any of us. It should not come. But in case it comes, or you sense that women have a very peculiar sixth sense. దే అంటే ఎవరైనా చెడ్డగా చూస్తున్నా కానీ, ఏమైనా జరుగుతుంది అని ఒక భయము ఒకటి ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ఆ ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు టేక్ ద హెల్ప్, టేక్ ద సపోర్ట్, అండ్ గో టు ద ప్లేసెస్ వేర్ మెనీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్. అంటే ఎక్కువ మంది ఉన్న చోటికి, ఏటీఎంస్ కానీ, పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ కానీ, లేదా అంటే నలుగురు ఉన్నారు, 10 మంది ఉన్నారు అక్కడ అంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోవడం కానీ, ఆర్ టు ద బస్ స్టాప్ ఆర్ బస్ స్టాండ్. సో such are the places people hesitate to do nonsense. So such places you go and secure. See, today you are all, your parents are there, your brothers are there, your friends are there to help you. But after that you enter into, you become an employer, you become an employee. then that is the time you face all these problems. Sometimes, you know, even in the MNCs, team leads, they misbehave, and sometimes even in education institutions. So far in our college, there is no such a problem. If at all such a problem is there, bring it to our notice, we'll take care. We'll take care, that's all. Next day, fellows will not be there in the college at all, whether it is a faculty or it is a student, immaterial, okay, whoever it is. No girl should be tortured physically or mentally or emotionally or psychologically. Any kind of torture is banned totally in MITS. We have our own laws. We have we made our own policies. Added to that, AP government is also helping us. So let us take all this support and then move forward. Let us empower ourselves. So how to download Disha app? I need not tell you. Hello? Do you want me to tell how to download a Disha app? Hello? MITS girls are very smart.
No, ma'am.
Very smart.
We have already downloaded, ma'am.
You have already downloaded. Awesome.
Yes,
Awesome.
ma'am.
Beautiful. So you learn one more thing. So there is a GO number 59, which is passed on June 23rd, 2021, and all Mahila Mitras. So that is women police are also inducted in the police department, and they are also helping. They are also helping. They're targeting the eve teasers. They are targeting the sexual harassed cases and all that. And then, I mean, they're acting as if they are the young girls, and then going ahead, and then they're catching the people red-handed and putting them in the prison, and all such things are happening. So, my dears, you need not worry. The law of the land is at your help, and you can see the inauguration. CM's words, if you hear, then you get really I mean, inspired, you know. I'm just opening up the speech of.
This is one of the basic drill, जो आपका aim, आपका reflex, आपका recoil control, and आपका crosshair placement.
That's it. Okay.
ఒకవైపున ఏమో చట్టాలు చూస్తే
Are you able
ఆ
to hear?
స్వేచ్ఛలు మనకి ఇవ్వవు.
Are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
మరోవైపు జరిగిన ఘటనలను చూస్తే విపరీతమైన కోపం వస్తుంది. న్యాయమేమో జరగకుండా ఆలస్యం అవుతూ పోతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇటువంటి పరిస్థితులు ఎప్పుడైనా ఉన్నప్పుడు నిజంగా మనసుకు కూడా బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది. చట్టాల మీద కూడా మనకున్న గౌరవం కూడా పోతుంది. ఈ పరిస్థితిని పూర్తిగా మార్చేందుకే దిశ అనే చట్టాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చాం. చట్టం అన్నది కూడా చట్టం పరిధిలోనే న్యాయం జరగాలి. కానీ ఆ చట్టం త్వరితగతిన న్యాయాన్ని అందించాలి. ఆ త్వరితగతిన న్యాయం అందినప్పుడు, వెంటనే శిక్షలు పడినప్పుడు వ్యవస్థలోకి భయం అనేది ఒకటి వస్తుంది. ఇటువంటి పనులు ఎప్పుడైనా చేస్తే
అండర్స్టాండ్, వ్యవస్థలో ఒక భయం వస్తుంది, అంటే సొసైటీలో ఒక రకమైన భయం వస్తుంది. People will not take us granted for. People will not take women or girls granted for. Instead, they will have a fear that the government is going to look into it very seriously, and then they will take the stringent measures. All right, listen more.
వెంటనే శిక్ష ఉంటుంది అన్న భయం ఎప్పుడైతే వస్తుందో అప్పుడు వ్యవస్థ బాగుపడుతుంది. నిర్భయ చట్టం చూసాం. నిర్భయ చట్టం కూడా ఆ రోజుల్లో నిర్భయ చట్టాన్ని ప్రేరేపించింది జ్యోతి అని ఒక చెల్లెమ్మ ఘటన. జ్యోతి సింగ్ అనుకుంటా. 8 సంవత్సరాలు అయిపోయింది. ఇంతవరకు ఆ నిర్భయ ఘటనలో ప్రేరేపించిన, నిర్భయ చట్టాన్ని ప్రేరేపించిన
Was a girl in Delhi. She had been very brutally raped and murdered in the bus, in the city bus. In the city bus, she had been raped and murdered, and even a minor involved in that raping case. That is the greatest atrocity. I mean, the country ever faced it. They killed her so brutally that even with the rods, iron rods, they inserted into her and then they killed her brutally. I don't feel hesitated to tell. That is the state of affairs, and I mean, in such a country we are living it. But at the same time, the country is also giving a kind of security to us by creating such apps and then by giving such safety precautions to all of us.
ఆ ఘటంలో 8 సంవత్సరాలు అవుతా ఉన్నా కూడా ఇవాళకి కూడా శిక్ష పడని పరిస్థితి కనిపిస్తా ఉంది. 8 సంవత్సరాలు అయిపోయింది. ఇటువంటి పరిస్థితి చూసినప్పుడు వెంటనే శిక్షలు పడనప్పుడు పోలీసు దర్యాప్తుకు కోర్టు విచారణకు సంవత్సరాలు పడుతూ ఉంటే నేరాలు పెరిగే పరిస్థితి దారితీస్తుంది. మన రాష్ట్రాన్ని తీసుకుంటే రాష్ట్రంలో మహిళలపై అత్యాచారాల పరిస్థితి ఏమిటి అని
సింగిల్ కరెక్షన్ అంటే మేము డబుల్ కరెక్షన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అడిగినా మ్యారీడ్ అన్మ్యారీడ్ అని వెళ్ళాలి అంతే. నువ్వు ఏంది కాలేజ్ కాదు పర్సనల్ రాయి. కాలేజ్ ఎందుకు
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
So far you heard what Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu was telling us, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, what he was telling and the data he was giving, and to be ashamed of having such crime rate in our own state. But the reason we cannot totally blame only the male. We have equal responsibility to, safeguard ourselves also. So that is one thing I want all of you to understand. It is not your parent has to safeguard you. It is not the duty of the brother to safeguard you, or it is not the duty of your ma'am. Somebody is meddling with my mic. Hello. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is disturbing me. It's okay. No problem. No problem. So likewise, I should be in a position to check it immediately and then stop it. I have to solve my own problem. That is the way you have to solve your own problem. Instead of crying helplessly, instead of going into deep depression, instead you just raise your voice and say, no, I don't like all these things, all this nonsense to happen. So government is helping me and I'm an educated woman, and then I can take care of myself. I can provide safety and security to my own life. If you have this firm decision, or if you have this firm determination, then no one can stop you to go forward. This kind of confidence is highly needed in these days. These are the days, because the women no more, they are sitting in the houses. They are coming out to work. So equally, hand in hand, they are working with the men. So you go any place, you see either a male or a female. Transgenders only at places you see, but either you see a male or a female. Then why should we worry? Why should we feel we are degraded? That is by 26th chromosome, that is the one that is going to decide is the fetus is male or a female. It is only that chromosome. but what combination and what permutation happens, none of us know. So my dears, likewise things do happen and we don't even know the child which is going to be born is a male or a female, but it doesn't mean that all the women are very weak and all the male are superpowers and all that. They're not supermen, and we are not super women, but each one can become super women. We can empower ourselves and then we can go further. This is what I just wanted to convey you. And it's not this alone. Even in the films, most of the films, Geeta Govindam, how the hero, so-called hero, he tries to misbehave with the girl, and then how she takes him, she takes a task, she fights. She is a great fighter. And later that fellow proves that, okay, he's a smart guy and all that. That's a different thing. But in the beginning, though he is a hero, he acts like a stupid fellow and he misbehaves with that girl. Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Do I make sense? Do I make
Yes, ma'am.
sense? Yes. So in that way, untold miseries are there for the girls, and at home, in the bus, and in the class, and even in classes at times. So wherever we go, at times such things do happen. Don't think that, okay, we are very safe and no one can do, we are invincible kind of thing. No, we are not safe. And life is, yes, fighting for safety and security all the time. This is just a struggle. Life is full of struggles and pleasures. Okay, it's a roller coaster. So all the time you will not have successes. You neither have successes nor the failures. In the same way, all the time you will never be happy and you will not be sorrowful. So if the success come, don't be overjoyed and then say that that is going to be there with me all the time. And in the same way, failure comes, don't go into depression saying that, okay, that's going to really take my life out and all such kind of thing. So whether it is a success or a failure, we should have that courage to take it and to fight with our own selves, our own depressions and all that. So sentiments and all that, you keep it aside and instead you empower yourself and take the help of the technology, take the help of the police, take the help of the state government, and take the help of your own faculty members, take the help of your own family members. The world is there to help you if you are ready to fight. If you are not ready to fight, the world is there to crush you. So choice is always ours. So keep that in the mind and then go. Let us see Disha's first success. You want to see Disha's first success? Okay, I'm here to present you Disha's first success. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second. Touch it.
Charged attacks to
Give
take
me
them
1
down
second.
one by one. When energy is full, Kamisato Ayaka unleashes her elemental burst to deal further damage and clean up the field.
Skip pad is here behind. Skip pad is behind.
Ma'am,
Okay.
even we cannot see it, ma'am.
Yeah.
మరొక బిగ్ న్యూస్ మనం చూస్తున్నాం. దిశ యాప్ ఏపీలో అద్భుతంగా.
Go to the application, ma'am.
Give me 1 second. I'm here to present.
Here.
Yeah. The first success of Disha. Yeah.
ఇవాళ ఈ యాప్ ఓ దుండగుడి ఆట కట్టించింది. విశాఖపట్నం నుంచి
Are you able to
విజయవాడ
hear?
వెళ్తున్న బస్సులో మహిళ పట్ల బసవయ్య
Yes,
నాయుడు.
ma'am. Yes,
Geeta
ma'am.
Govindam story.
దీంతో సదరు మహిళ
Geeta Govindam
దిశ
story.
SOS ద్వారా పోలీసులకు ఫిర్యాదు చేసింది. 7 నిమిషాల వ్యవధిలోనే ఏలూరు 3 టౌన్
In 7 minutes, Elur police had come and then they took him to
పోలీసులు
task.
బాధితురాలి వద్దకు చేరుకున్నారు. మహిళతో అసభ్యకరంగా ప్రవర్తించిన బసవయ్య నాయక్ ను పోలీసులు అదుపులోకి తీసుకుని కేసు నమోదు చేశారు.
There the hero is going along with the police who misbehaved with the girl in the bus in Elur. So this is the first Disha app success.
దిశా చట్టం తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత మహిళలకు ఎలాంటి ఇబ్బందులు వచ్చినా ఎలాంటి ఫిర్యాదులు అందినా పోలీసులు వెంటనే స్పందిస్తున్నారు. SOS కు ఫిర్యాదు చేసిన వెంటనే పోలీసులు బసవయ్య నాయక్ ను అదుపులోకి తీసుకోవడంతో బాధితురాలు ఆనందం వ్యక్తం చేసింది. మహిళా ప్రయాణికురాలు ఫిర్యాదుతో ఏలూరు 3 టౌన్ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ లో 0 FIR.
Again, it is confidential. The girl's name they will not show, and even press and media will not show the girl's name. And Disha is also not the girl's original name. So they just gave a pseudo name, and then on that they have brought a law. Okay, so everything will be confidential. Even in MITS also, we are going to keep everything in confidential. If you come across with such cases, you can just come and meet us.
నమోదు చేసినట్లు దిశ ప్రత్యేక అధికారి దీపికా పాటిల్ తెలిపారు. నేటికి ఇదే విషయానికి సంబంధించిన పూర్తి సమాచారం తెలుసుకుందాం. మా ప్రతినిధి రాజు అందిస్తారు. రాజు,
దిశ చట్టం వచ్చిన తర్వాత బాధితులకు ఎంత అండగా ఉంటుంది?
Yeah. They're not supposed to tell the name, in fact, but this was the very first case, no? So they just might have revealed and all that, because it is only a small eve-teasing case. Otherwise, if something bad happens, they will not. Hello, girls, are you able to hear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Am I heard?
Yes,
Am I heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So likewise, my dear students, such problems do occur in the houses, in whichever place we go, but we are supposed to be very, very careful, and then take a call on it, and then we have to fight against. Okay, so there are a few cases, like I just happened to see one of the girls. I was traveling along with a small girl. Ammai venakunnatanu, ammai paina chei vedamu, all that nonsense is happening. Then I just told the girl, you have a pen or you have a pin, take it and poke him. That's all. Finish. The fellow did not utter a single sound, and he just kept quiet. So that's a simple way. That's a simple thing I said. But even the worst cases do happen. I have handled here in the college also. I have handled many such cases. Whether it is the faculty or with the students, we never tolerate. So MITS management never tolerates all such a thing. So that's the reason I'm just telling you, as you said in the beginning, last year you said in the beginning, home is a safe place and then college is a safe place. Yes, but society also should become a safe place. And for that, our confidence is highly, highly needed. Our confidence, our cooperation, and even the male members who are there around us, and even the female members. Please don't take Telugu serials laga prati roju vere valla paina kaaralu miriyalu noodutuntaru ani anukokandi. Ala all avani jaragavu నిజ జీవితాల్లో అలాంటివి జరగవు. ఎక్కడో ఒక చోటి 1-2 ఉంటాయి, కానీ ప్రతి ఒక్కరి జీవితాల్లో అలాంటివి ఉండవు. మీరు భయపడకండి. మీకు ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే ధైర్యంగా చెప్పండి. టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద పోలీస్, టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద కౌన్సిలర్స్, టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ women faculty, and we are all here, and even gen faculty or the coordinators. You are the first year girls. You have wonderful coordinators with you, and they are here to help you guys. So take the help. Don't hesitate. But at the same time, your confidence and your what you call proactiveness, that is really going to help you. Did I make some sense today? Shall we all download Disha app and safeguard ourselves? Do we want safety or security or not? Hello? I'm not able to hear anyone. Do we want safety and security?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you confident? Are you confident? If such a problem comes, are you ready to fight?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't ever hesitate. Don't ever hesitate to tell me or tell the people around you. You have wonderful faculty members, you have counselors, you have mentors with you. So take the help of everybody and then empower yourself. We are all here to make this place a safe place and a better place to live in, like your home. This is a second home, but wherever you go, you should know how to make your own place and your own safety and security. It is not in the hands of government. It is not in the hands of your father. It's not in the hands of anyone. It is in your own hands. Take the responsibility of your own life. Your life, man, your life. You have to really struggle for your life, and then you should know how to move forward, and then you have to further take care of the entire family, and wherever you go, you know, you become an asset. So likewise, like most of the women folk here in the college, and most and your own mother, she is the greatest fighter, I tell you. And all the people are there around you. They are here to give you all the inspiration, and with this kind of inspiration, shall we go forward? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go forward?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
have
Yes,
such
ma'am.
programs also further? Shall we have such programs also further? And
Yes, ma'am.
unfortunately, I know, unfortunately, because of COVID, you are not enjoying the college life, and then all such programs, you know, in-house programs, and so many programs happen here in MITS. Because of COVID, you know, restrictions of COVID, and then we are not supposed to have a big gathering and all that. So we are switching over to this webinars and all that. Still, all this information is highly needed, and whatever I teach you right now, or whatever I tell you right now, it comes to your rescue in your life. In your life. Not necessary that I should teach you only the lessons. I can teach you even these life skills. So life skills, let us keep all those life skills with us, and then our intelligence is our greatest friend. Our intelligence, our confidence is your greatest guardian. Your greatest guardian is your confidence. So take that self-confidence into your hands, and then take the responsibility of your life, and then don't ask, okay, daddy, you come and help me, and brother, you come and help me, boyfriend, you come and help me. No, we know how to help ourselves, right? We are brave, we are smart, we are intelligent, and then what is that we are not? We are everything. And you have to, tomorrow you have to take care of your family, tomorrow you have to take care of your career, and tomorrow you who knows, you are going to take care of the entire state, like how Jagan Mohan Reddy is doing now. Maybe you know his sister, and you know Indira Gandhi, and you know many people. Likewise, there is a big saga of great leaders. So you might become like that, or there are great lawyers, or there are great social fighters, you know, social workers to take up such issues. So who knows what you are going to be. So you, maybe tomorrow you have to lead a company, and that is the time you become an entrepreneur. Then you have to take care of all the people, women folk of your own company. Then it is that time, you know, all these things will help you. So my dear students, with this, I just say, yeah, women power is the superpower, because a man can take care of the family, but a woman can take care of the entire generation. That's what I can just feel, because as a mother, she plays many roles. Women plays many roles. There is no, let us not fight for the equality. Instead, we empower ourselves. Instead of asking people to give us power, why don't we empower? There's a lot of difference, giving power and then empowering ourselves. So self-confidence, self-focus, and self-esteem, self-efficacy, these are the ones, they are really going to give us the empowerment, and then take everything and then move forward. All right. Hello, any doubts? We'll spend 3 minutes for any doubts. You can unmute your mic and then speak to me. 3 more minutes we'll have it. Session will get over by 3 minutes. You have any doubts, please. Be brave enough to talk. Nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Okay. No, don't hesitate to ask good questions. Ask questions. Nothing to worry. Madam, Kusma madam, you have any question, ma'am? No. You have any question, you can. Do you have any doubt that our girls are very smart? Any doubt you have? Or you agree with me that they are really smart?
No, ma'am. You can come forward, students. Leelashri, you're a very good talker. You can. Any queries you can ask?
Any queries?
Not at all, ma'am.
Leelashri, you have any question?
No, ma'am.
The topic is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. That should be the spirit. That should be the spirit of you. Okay. Everybody should be brave enough. No more such cases of atrocity. And if at all such things are there, we are here to fight for it. Okay. And we are here with you. We are here with you all the time. All right. Have that secured feeling and then walk into the room anytime if any such a thing happens. Walk into the room and then discuss with me. All right. Thank you so much.
Girls, please turn on your videos. Everybody, just for taking a screenshot.
Yeah. Get ready for a screenshot.
Please, everyone.
Kalpana madam.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yeah, screenshot.
Thank you very much, madam.
Girls.
Girls, please switch on your video.
Switch on the videos,
on your
please.
video, ma.
Why do you
Yes,
hesitate?
please switch on your video.
That is
Everybody,
what.
please.
Very good,
Good.
Kirtana.
Come on, Kirtana. Sindhu Priya. Very good. Monica. Prayatna. Very good. Vaishnavi. Leelashri. Good job. And let your mobile go forward.
Very good.
Zoom out. So that your face will be seen. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Vijayalakshmi madam, thank you very much. Kusma madam, thank you. Thank you very much. Samina madam, thank you. I think madam
Many more
has
such
gone.
meetings, madam. Kalpana madam, many more such meetings. And women power in MITS is really strong.
Definitely, madam.
How many of
Definitely,
you
madam.
agree? How many of you agree? Say yes. How many of you are ready to join hands? Oh, Monica, very good. Lasya, Lekhya, Bhavana, very good. Hemalata, thank you so much. Madam, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, madam. Thank you all students. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so
for
much,
caring
dear
all
participants.
the girl child
Namaste, madam.
as your children.
Oh, all the time, ma. All the time. Ma.
Definitely.
All the time. You're all our children. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Kusma, very much. Okay, ma. We will leave.